Are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger kitchen so you won't bump into each other in the small kitchen that you currently have today? Or are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger backyard for your kids to play? Hi, I'm Natasha Carroll with Natasha Carroll Realty. I understand that looking for a new home, wondering if you're going to find a replacement home with such limited inventory? Thinking about all of the paperwork and getting everything out of the house and moving it to a new home is stressful. And sometimes you just don't want to deal with it. Listen, I get it. I've recently sold a home as well. It can be one of the most stressful things you do in life. If you're with me this far, I'm guessing maybe you're juggling around the idea of moving. Maybe your family is growing and the house you have right now is getting too small. Or maybe your home is too big and your wonderful kids have all moved on out of their house and living the best life. And you're ready to downsize. I work with a team of professionals that will help you move as smoothly as possible. We're able to help you find your replacement home even in this competitive market. We will also help you get your current home sold at the right price, so you'll end up getting more money in your pocket. Any questions you have about moving, give us a call. I'm always here to help you and your family find the home that you deserved. I'm Natasha Carroll here with Natasha Carroll Realty. Remember, as always, have an awesome home buying and selling day.